Welcome everybody, another Brickhead set. Got the Endor Battle of Endor Heroes. Got Luke, R2, Lando, Wicket, and Leia. Sort of just going to do one a day over the next, well, 2.5 weeks. And I'm going to leave it strictly up to fate. And however the bags are numbered is the way I'm going to do the builds. Jedi is probably my second favorite. I liked Star Wars, and Empire was, of course, the best. But Jedi's, I say, it's right there. The original A New Hope and Jedi are right there together for me. So I'm looking forward to doing these guys. I'm gonna try something different this time. I'm gonna not do music and just try and put the mic down here where y'all can hear the click and clack of putting the bricks together. See how that goes over. Let me know in the comments if you like it or don't like it, and we'll proceed from there. I'll pop her open now and see which ones we're doing first, and then we'll get going. Okay, they all came up fairly quiet. Let's see. Okay, they've all got their own books. And that's an awful lot of black. It looks like Luke's going to be the first. Oh, there's some brown in there too, so it might. Yeah, it's his hair probably. Yep, looks like it's going to be Luke first. Luke, then R2, and Lando, Wicket, and Leia. So it's the same as on the cover. Alright, so we'll get that going momentarily. Gather these guys up, set them out of the way, and I say, coming up with Luke right after this. Okay, there we go. The completed Luke Skywalker brickhead from the Heroes of Endor set. I like it. Luke was always my favorite. Of course, you know, it was always down to Han or Luke, wasn't it? But I always sort of liked the naive farm boy that he started off as. Sort of just a fun, you know, sort of happy-go-lucky kid. Didn't know any better. More confident than he had any reason to be. There he is. That's a little detail. He got his cybernetic hand over here, normal hand there. All our, whoop, and of course he's an 80s action hero, so he's got to have the mullet, party in the back. But anyways, that's all of that. I hope y'all enjoy this series over the next couple of weeks. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.